And now let's look again how Marts and Dana dance tango membership or silver routine, this time with teaching count. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick and slow. Quick, 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 slow. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with 4-step at the corner, then Fallaway Promenade, continued by Promenade link and brush tap. 4-step change, 2 walks, progressive link, open promenade, outside swivel, 2 walks, open reverse turn with lady outside and open finish, outside swivel, reverse turn to another outside swivel, 2 walks, progressive link, back open promenade, and 4-step. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.